Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto here, and I have a very quick video for you today. Here is my last week's spread. I just wanted to show you how it turned out since I wasn't able to put a plan with me last week because we had new releases and I needed to make sure that people had a chance to sign up for a Patreon before time ran out. So that's why I didn't put up a plan with me last week. I figure you guys see these plan with me is quite a lot, and I've been trying to change them up a little bit because I've been getting bored with my weeklies, so I've been changing them up quite a bit. This theme has been extremely fun because I'm learning so much about different cultures. This week I am drawing inspiration from the Celtic culture, which it's weird for me to say Celtic, or Celtic, I guess is the correct pronunciation, and not be thinking about basketball because basketball still doesn't exist right now, but you know, it is what it is. So I am using one of the knots from the Celtic culture, and this knot in particular is the Dara Celtic knot, which can be traced back to the Irish word dwar, meaning oak tree. That's what it tells me on irishcentral.com at least. So this knot symbolizes power, destiny, wisdom, strength, endurance, and leadership. And again, all of the symbols that I'm choosing are things that I think represent the Black Lives Matter movement. So that's why I've decided to go with these like symbols of strength and unity and power and things like that. Sorry, that was my cat asking for food and opening the door for me. So that happened. Anyways, so that is what I'm drawing inspiration from with the Black Lives Matter movement, and I really am loving this theme because I am learning so much about different cultures and what their symbols mean, and I think that's just a lot of fun to like expose myself to new worlds. And I know I should have done this a long time ago, but honestly, I don't even know that much about my own heritage, so I would like to explore that as well. So I think I'm probably going to do that in my next weekly. So anyways, so I have split this up into 3 different sections, and instead of doing what I normally do for 3 sections on each page, which is like a horizontal weekly, which again is my go-to when things are going nuts, I decided to kind of follow the movement of this particular symbol and kind of create the boxes that way, which is weird for me, but I'm so far enjoying it. I mean, I know it's only Monday, but I'm really enjoying it. And then I decided to use the Tombow Fudenosuke because for me, the white jelly roll pen writes really well on this type of marker versus a Tombow marker. So like a dual tip, I should say, marker. It writes quite a bit better on the Fude. So I decided to use that to mark in these black marks because that is, again, very prominent in the Celtic culture where you intertwine a lot of knots and then have black around it. And then to bring it back to my theme, I obviously have that ribbon going all the way through. And I just did some line work. I didn't really feel like doing a lot of Zentangles because I felt like it would take away from the kind of more simplistic style of knot. So actually, I mean, I don't mean simplistic. I don't know. I don't know what I actually mean, but I just thought that the Zentangles would take away because based on the comments that I've gotten, sometimes if you do Zentangles or change the coloring inside of a symbol, that changes its meaning, at least in some African cultures that I was told about. Maybe not particularly the one that I was doing, but based on that, I decided to do Zentangles around the symbols from now on, because I don't want to change the meaning, because that's the whole purpose of this symbology, is to not change the meaning and to give symbols words, and those words mean something in the Black Lives Matter movement. So I wanted to make sure that I wasn't doing that. So here's my weekly. I know it was a very quick one, but to be honest, I was filming this the morning of, so I really needed to get to work. So I hope you like this. If you do, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.